Hello beautiful souls, I am Yasuko and it's time for Massage Monday. This week I will show you a quick way to clear your head and clear your blurred vision. Do this when your head feels heavy and not functioning and you have a blurred vision and cannot focus. To clear your head, sit up straight, weave your fingers and place them behind your neck. Bring your elbows forward so your arms are next to your face. As you breathe in for 5 seconds, push forward with your hands and press your neck towards the back, resisting the hands, and let go. You can just do this once. You don't have to repeat this, but I will show it in another angle. Breathe in for 5 seconds as your hands and neck press each other, and let go. When you press your hands and neck against each other, it builds pressure, and when you let go, it promotes the blood flow rushing to your head. To clear your blurred vision, twist your eyebrows by lifting the outer sides on several locations. If you don't want to mess up your eyebrow makeup, press up the eyebrows with your fingers and shake gently on several locations. Make peace signs and place them next to the inner and outer corners of your eyes. Gently shake 20 times to see if your vision is improved. It's more relaxing if you do this with your eyes closed. And do more if you like. That's it. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching. Make it a great week.